Warmer weather is finally here, which means more time outside. So yard work, gardening, playing with the kids, and those backyard projects. For most people, that means sore backs, tight hips, and stiff shoulders the next day. Outdoor work is a workout. If your body is not prepared for all that bending, lifting, and twisting, and reaching, you're going to feel it the next day. That's why taking time to stretch and add mobility exercises throughout your day could help keep outdoor activities more enjoyable and help your body recover well afterwards. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Move Monday. My name is Coach Travis, and today's workout is all about being outdoor strong. So we're going to highlight some simple mobility movements to help you stay prepared for outdoor work, whether that's gardening or just outdoor activities. So we'll talk about mobility, we'll talk about why it matters, and then I'll walk you through some quick movements to help you reduce some of that strain, improve your movement, and help support your recovery afterwards. All right, team, so let's start off with a couple movements to get that body warmed up. We're going to start off with some torso rotation. So I want you to open up that stance, get those elbows up, and just slightly move from side to side, warming up the torso, warming up the core. Move for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then whenever you're ready, go ahead and relax the upper body, and then open up your stance, and then we'll take it to a wide-legged hip flexor opener. So feet stay flat, just shifting from side to side, keeping your knees and your hips in the front. Just kind of shifting from one side, take a breath, and then move to the opposite side. This is going to allow you to stretch out the hips and the low back. Again, move for about 10 to 15 seconds, slowly roll it back up, and then finish up with a low back stretch. Again, push those hips back. Allow your body to reach towards the ground, bend the knees slightly. Continue to breathe, 10 to 15 seconds, slowly rolling it back up, one vertebrae at a time. Great job, team. Okay, team, so now we're going to focus on the upper body. So think shoulders and upper back and the back of your neck. So this activity is going to help with movements like raking, shoveling, or carrying things around. So I want you to start off by just extending your arms to the sky, keeping your feet rooted to the ground, dropping your arms to one side, pushing the hips to the opposite side. Stay there for a breath, bring it back to the neutral position, and then do the same thing to the opposite side. So dropping your arms off to the right, pushing your hips to the left. Continue to breathe, come back to that neutral position, and then drop those arms. And then we're going to take it to a shoulder stretch. So I want you to take that right arm, take it across your body, bring that left elbow in, bring that left arm in, feeling the stretch on the opposite side of your body. Stay there for a breath, and then switch it up, doing the same thing to the opposite side, feeling that stretch in the shoulders. And then I want you to finish up by placing your hands on the low back, squeezing those elbows, opening up the chest, feeling that stretch in the front of your body. Great job, team. Okay, team, and now I want to highlight just a couple other recovery stretches that you can do after the work is done. A standing quad stretch. So find your balance, hold on to something, bring that right heel towards your glutes, feeling that stretch on the right side of your body, the front of your legs. Using the opposite leg for balance, continue to breathe for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then switch it up to the opposite side. Then you're going to flow to your hands, your forearms, and your wrists. So I want you to get your hands together, open up those fingers, lift those elbows, and then continue to rotate your hands towards the ground, back towards the sky. And then whenever you're ready, just roll out those wrists, continue to breathe as you move. And then finish up with a nice little neck stretch. Place that left hand behind your back, use that right hand to slowly guide that right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling the stretch on the side of your neck. Stay there for about 10 seconds. Return your head back to that neutral position, and then do the same thing to the opposite side. Grabbing that left hand, using your left hand, grabbing your head, bringing that left ear towards your shoulder. Stay there for a breath. Bring your head back to that neutral position. Great job, team. Remember, team, working and playing outside can be a solid workout. So take a few minutes to prepare your body and give your body a better chance to enjoy those outdoor activities without the extra soreness afterwards. And team, I want to thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. If you have any questions, please reach out to the wellness team. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all again next week for another Move Monday.